Which should you choose? Premium or budget? Luxury or minimal? Fairphone 5 vs CMF Phone 1. Hey tech enthusiast, welcome back to Mandy's Techpod. Today we are diving into two unique and innovative brands in the smartphone industry, Fairphone and CMF. We will explore their origins, motives, innovations, techniques, and their latest models. The Fairphone 5 and CMF Phone 1. We will also compare those models to other phones in the same price range, discussing their features, price, and targeted audience. First up, let's talk about Fairphone. Fairphone is a Dutch social enterprise founded in 2013 with a mission to create sustainable and ethically produced smartphones. Their goal is to reduce the environmental impact of electronics and promote fairer working conditions in the tech industry. They achieve this through innovative design techniques and a commitment to sourcing conflict-free materials. One of their key innovations is the modular design of their phones, which makes it easy for users to repair and upgrade their devices. This not only extends their lifespan of the phones but also reduce electronic waste. Fairphone's target audience is environmentally conscious consumers who value sustainability and ethical production. Now let's take a closer look at their latest models. The Fairphone 5, priced at €699, which is around $762 or approximately 63,000 rupees. The Fairphone 5 features a 6.46-inch OLED display, Qualcomm QCM6490 processor, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of expandable storage. It has a triple 50MP camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with OIS and 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP selfie camera. This unique chipset designed for IoT devices, ensuring long-term software support for at least 5 years, making it a future-proof choice. One of the standout features of the Fairphone 5 is its repairability. You can easily replace components like the battery, screen, and cameras using basic tools. This DIY repair approach is supported by Fairphone's extensive online guides and readily available spare parts. The phone comes with a 5-year of warranty, emphasizing Fairphone's commitment to longevity and sustainability. When comparing the Fairphone 5 to other phones in the same price range, such as Google Pixel 6a, and the Fairphone 5 offers similar hardware specs but excels in sustainability and repairability. While the Pixel 6a may have a slightly better camera and powerful processor, the Fairphone 5's ethical production and ease of repair make it a compelling choice for environmentally conscious users. Next we have CMF, sub-brand of Nothing. CMF stands for Color Material Finish, and the brand is all about offering stylish high-quality devices at an affordable price. Launched by Nothing in 2023, CMF focuses on minimalist design and a seamless user experience. Much like its parent company, CMF target audience is design-conscious consumers looking for premium aesthetics without the premium price tag. Introducing the CMF Phone 1, priced at around $200 or approximately 16,000 rupees. This device offers a stunning design with a sleek and minimalist look. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, 6GB of RAM and 120GB of storage. Unlike of its competitor, it doesn't include an ultra-wide sensor, but it does have a 50MP main sensor and a 16MP front camera. CMF Phone 1 is designed for users who prioritize style and user experience. It comes with a 2-year software update period, focusing on providing a premium feel at an affordable cost. When comparing it to the Fairphone 5, the CMF Phone 1 offers a more budget-friendly option with a strong emphasis on design but lacks the sustainability and long-term software support features of the Fairphone 5. When comparing the CMF Phone 1 to other phones in the same price range, such as the iQOO Z9, the CMF Phone 1 stands out with its superior design and build quality. The iQOO Z9, on the other hand, comes with a slightly more powerful Dimensity 7200 processor and additional camera features. However, CMF Phone 1's aesthetics and brand appeals make it an attractive choice for users who want a stylish and affordable smartphone. So there you have it. Fairphone and CMF are two brands making waves in the smartphone industry, each with their own unique approach to innovation and sustainability. The Fairphone 5 is perfect for those who prioritize ethical consumption and long-term usability, while the CMF 1 offers a stylish and affordable option for design-conscious consumers. However, there's a significant issue to consider. While the Fairphone 5 is great for environmentally conscious people, its high cost makes it inaccessible for many who share those values but can't afford the premium price. This highlights a broader problem. Truly sustainable devices often come at a higher cost than typical devices. As a result, many might opt for the more affordable CMF 1, which also offers modularity to some extent and a decent level repairability. We need sustainable options that everyone can afford to make a real impact. What do you think? Comment down your thoughts. Thank you for taking interest in our video, and we will see you in the next one.